And then one more area that I hope nation states start paying greater attention to is the rise of cryptocurrency, because what looks like a very interesting and somewhat exotic effort to literally mine new coins in order to trade with them has the potential for undermining currencies, for undermining the role of the dollar as the reserve currency, for destabilizing nations, perhaps starting with small ones, but going much larger.
Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. My name is Aaron. We have so much to talk about in today's video. Make sure you watch the entire thing. Top story of the day: Hilary Clinton has just issued a statement of war on Bitcoin and crypto holders and Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a concept. Crypto could undermine the US dollar and destabilize nations, according to Hilary Clinton. The exact details, the exact quotes are as follows. Former presidential candidate Hilary Clinton has said that cryptocurrencies are very interesting and very exotic, but they have the potential to undermine the US dollar. Quote, what looks like a very interesting and exotic effort has the potential for undermining currencies, for undermining the role of the dollar as reserve currencies, for destabilizing nations. She said this all in Bloomberg's New Economic Forum. She added, if in the hands of the wrong people, cryptocurrencies could be direct threats to nation states. Quote, there's a whole new layer of activity that could be extremely destabilizing, or in the wrong hands or in alliances with the wrong people could be direct threats to many of our nation states and certainly to the global currency markets. With that, Hilary Clinton is broadly on the same page as President Biden, whose actions have demonstrated he is serious about the national security risks presented, in his opinion, by cryptocurrencies. With that, they are all on the same page as Donald Trump, who has called Bitcoin and crypto a scam and has shown allegiance towards the US dollar. Let your voice be heard. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. What do you think about Hilary Clinton? Do you like her? Do you dislike her? What do you think of Hilary Clinton's statements about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? And just one small edit, Hilary, before you go. You said cryptocurrencies can destabilize nations. You said crypto and Bitcoin can destabilize nations. I think you meant fiat currency, right? I mean, even if we were to take the best fiat currency, the United States dollar, even if we're just looking at the best one, United States increases the money supply 40% in a single year. Yet it is Bitcoin that is destabilizing us. And that's not even to mention the tens to hundreds of smaller countries with weaker governments, with less dependable fiat systems. The people have no control when the government controls their currency. She's throwing shade at Bitcoin. Bitcoin can destabilize nations? Hillary actually is the one who has destabilized and destroyed entire nations. Libya, Yemen, Honduras, the list goes on. So just STFU. And it's not just Hillary, it's all the elites, it's all the politicians on both sides. What's most interesting to me, however, is the fact that we're seeing this huge perception shift. Understand that in 2013, they were saying Bitcoin is fake, internet money, stay away. Now in 2021, all of a sudden, Bitcoin can destabilize nations. So the fact is, Hillary Clinton and establishment politicians are scared. They realize that Bitcoin has reached a point of no return. Bitcoin cannot be stopped. And as more people buy in, the network only gets bigger. The network only gets stronger. The coin only gets more valuable and even harder to be stopped. So they realize this. This is a direct threat to their power that they're used to having, that they're not even used to being questioned about. And number two, they realize that Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay, so they might be trying to FUD it to get in at what they think is a lower price. Either way, my friends, we have reached a point of no return, and let me show you that in some other slides and metrics I want to point out to you in this video. By the way, everybody, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. My name is Aaron at Altcoin Daily. We drop one video every day, keeping you informed on a daily basis. If you're interested in making money in cryptocurrency, we demystify the cryptocurrency market on a daily basis. Smash that like button to high heaven and let's get into it. Bitcoin bounce. Daily RSI looks just about reset and ready. So we had a slight correction. Overall, I'd say this is healthy, just like it was healthy here, just like it was healthy here, where the RSI and many different metrics can reset, refresh, and if it plays out like it did here and here, a rally even higher. Let's talk about altcoins. Altcoins seen a slight correction as well. Last time the total alt market cap retested the previous all-time high on the weekly, look what happened next. So hugely bullish on Bitcoin, hugely bullish on altcoins. I mean, how can you not be? PayPal has enabled cryptocurrency payments in their checkout process for millions of merchants. PayPal has literally hundreds of millions of users and merchants signed up with it. How could you not be bullish? Before we get to more altcoins, let me take 60 seconds and turn you on to a major opportunity that most people in crypto do not realize they can take advantage of. This can benefit most crypto holders and traders greatly. And this opportunity is through a sponsor of ours, Choice App. So if you're unfamiliar, Choice App enables you to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other traditional assets, including 22 and counting crypto assets, without having to pay a dime in capital gains tax. This is huge. So Choice App offers more crypto assets than actually any other retirement app. They offer Bitcoin, Ethereum, Aave, Cosmos, Polkadot, Chainlink, Maker, Solana, Uniswap, Yearn Finance, and many, many more, and they will continue to add more in the future. You can hold your own keys. Their fees are low and highly competitive. You can hold and trade cryptocurrency with no capital gains tax. If you think that your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto assets are going to be worth a lot of money in the long term, why not put a portion of your stack into Choice App so that when you're ready to cash out, you will not have to pay any capital gains tax. Your future self will thank you. In my opinion, Choice is the best retirement IRA app on the market today for crypto holders. Use the link in the description and get $50 in free Bitcoin when you start your Choice App account today. Binance, big deal for Ethereum Layer 2. Binance now supports deposits to Ethereum Layer 2 Arbitrum. Binance is the first major exchange to support direct deposits to an Ethereum Layer 2. This is hugely bullish for more users coming onto the network. This is hugely bullish for Ethereum scaling, and we're happy to see different companies support. Whoa, wait a minute. Is Crypto.com also doing something? Crypto.com is scaling Ethereum with zkSync, the first EVM-Compatible ZK Rollups. So Binance is using Arbitrum, Crypto.com is using ZK Rollups. The future is bright, ladies and gentlemen. The future is bright. Unbelievable opportunity to be in cryptocurrency right now. Not only because many prices are near all-time highs or have hit all-time highs in the past 3 months, but beyond that, what we're seeing from a network perspective cannot be ignored. For instance, the growth continues for Avalanche. All-time highs on average transactions per second. All-time highs on daily fees burned. All-time highs on daily transaction count. All-time highs on daily active addresses. All-time highs on monthly active addresses. All-time highs on total value locked. And there's so many different verticals, NFTs, DeFi, and verticals within verticals that just the amount of growth we're seeing is fantastic. For instance, Oculus rallies huge percentage as fans dig the sound of NFTs in the music industry. Oculus price climbs the crypto charts after the successful launch of its first security NFT sale and its wide-ranging cross-chain capabilities that aim to usher tokenization into the music industry. It's hard keeping up. If a man does not keep pace with his companions, perhaps it is because he hears the beat of a different drummer. So, my friends, what is left to say? The amount of different people who are now forced to talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, whether it be politicians, whether it be celebrities, it's just amazing where we are at this time in cryptocurrency, and I truly appreciate all us being here together. If you want to do this, I would really appreciate it. We're nominated for Best News Source, blockchaininfluenceawards.com, best news source, vote Altcoin Daily. We would appreciate it. It would help us out. We won last year. If you'd like to win again this year, keep the momentum rolling. There's plenty of other great categories where you can vote for all your favorites as well. I'll leave a link to that in the description. My name is Aaron. This is Altcoin Daily. Subscribe to the channel because I will see you tomorrow.